Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign out of Apple ID on your iPhone. To sign out Apple ID on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings of your iPhone. So let's go to the settings. Now, this is the settings. So what we want to do here, I want you to tap on the name. This is, you can see the name of my Apple ID is showing there, and you can see Apple account iCloud Plus. So I want you to tap on this Apple account, this first stuff. Once you tap on it, it will show you this page, another page. So this page, this is where you can sign out from your Apple ID. I just want you to scroll down, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see, scroll down, you're going to see the extreme bottom of this page. You're going to see sign out. Just tap on this sign out. Once you tap on this sign out, then um your Apple ID will be signed out. Can you see? It will ask you to put in your password, that is your Apple ID password. Then once you put in the password, it will log you out of your Apple ID successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually sign out of Apple ID on your iPhone.